What did the Earth look like when it first formed more than 4.5 billion years ago? You don't know? I don't either. Let's take a trip back and find out. It probably looked a lot like something out of a sci-fi movie. We're going to fast forward about 290 million years ago to the Permian period to talk about continental drift. Continental drift is a theory that was brought about by a German meteorologist in 1912 named Alfred Wegener. Clearly, he was not alive during the time of the dinosaurs, but he gathered enough evidence to show that at one time our Earth looked like this, with all of the continents fitting together like the pieces of a puzzle. At the rate of about 5 centimeters per year, the continents began to drift apart. Wegener called this supercontinent Pangaea. The next studied picture of the Earth was during the Triassic period, where you could start to see the continents spreading apart. And by the Jurassic period, wait a minute, not that Jurassic period, this one. The Earth began to resemble what it does today, sort of. 65 million years ago, in the Cretaceous period, the Earth looked very close to what it does today. See? Ah, much better. So how did Wegener know this happened? Well, besides noticing the puzzle-like way the continents fit together, he also noticed that fossils of different plants and animals were found spread across the globe on different continents when they could have only lived in one place. As if this is not enough proof, he also noticed that the layers of rock below the Earth's surface lined up with the opposing continent, and the same is true for mountain formations. Still, scientists remained skeptical of his theory until the 1950s, which unfortunately was well after his death. Because as Thomas Chamberlain put it, if we are going to believe in Wegener's hypothesis, we must forget everything that has been learned in the past 70 years and start all over again. And so they did. Though the theory of continental drift has been challenged since its inception, it has yet to be disproven. The end.